vehicles. Hi friends, let's learn about the different air vehicles that exist in our wonderful world. Satellite. This is a satellite. Air taxi. This is an air taxi. Drone. This is a drone. Hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. Airplane. This is an airplane. Shuttle. This is a shuttle. Blimp. This is a blimp. Small plane. This is a small plane. UFO. This is a UFO. Glider. This is a glider. Private jet. This is a private jet. Biplane. This is a biplane. Fighter jet. This is a fighter jet. Hang glider. This is a hang glider. Parachute. This is a parachute. Cargo plane. This is a cargo plane. Thank you all for watching.